If you were given a heat transfer vinyl or iron-on vinyl design to put on a shirt, a bag, some sort of fabric material, but you don't have the heat presses that you're seeing on videos, if you want to just use an iron, I'm here to show you how to do that. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor. If you want to learn how to apply a vinyl decal, check out this video. This particular design that we are applying is a frog that was die cut, so it has no extra carrier sheet around it. So we have to work a little bit harder to figure out what direction to place it. I'm going to walk you through how to do it, make sure you understand. Let's go ahead and get our supplies set up. You're going to want an iron. You need to apply it with dry heat. You want to take out any water that's in the reservoir. You want to set it somewhere between the cotton and linen setting. I'm setting mine to the cotton setting, and I'm going to let that heat up while I get the other things ready. I'm applying it to this shirt. For a lot of vinyls, you'll want either a cotton, a polyester, or a cotton poly blend. If you are unsure what kind of material you can put it on, go ahead and ask the person you got it from. You don't need to pre-wash the material. If this is something you've already washed before, you want to make sure you re-wash it again without any fabric softeners or anything that'll cling to the fabric. You want to use a hard, heat-resistant surface that doesn't bend. An ironing board isn't great because it'll flex and it won't give you the proper pressure you need, which is really important for having these designs stay where you want them. So for this video, I'm using this wood board and I'm putting a towel over it just to help with the heat. If your design has additional carrier sheet around it, you're going to want to put the sticky side holding on to the shirt. If your design is die cut like this one and there's no additional carrier sheet, then you're going to need to put the design shiny side up. When you look at your design, one side is going to be much more reflective than the other. And I know it's a little bit hard to tell. Most of them will have at least some shine on both, but this one has a lot more shine than this one. Normally for decals on kids' shirts, you want to put it 1 or 2 fingers below the collar line. So I'm going to put this frog right like that. Now that I have my design in place, I'm going to cover it with parchment paper. You can also use a ironing sheet, a Teflon sheet. Do not use wax paper because the wax can melt either onto your iron or onto your shirt. This frog is too big for me to do this in one press with the iron. So I'm going to press most of the body. I'm going to press firmly for 5 seconds. And then I'm going to lift. You don't want to be moving the iron around as you go. So then I'm going to go and overlapping just a little bit with where I already pressed, I'm going to press the other portion for that same 5 seconds. And then I'm going to pull the parchment paper off. This particular vinyl can be removed either hot or cold. I'm going to use these tweezers to lift up the edge of the carrier sheet. This is the carrier sheet I was talking about. It's this clear sheet that is sticky on one side. If the vinyl starts lifting while you're removing the carrier sheet, place it back down, cover it with the parchment paper again, and then press it for about 5 more seconds. You want to wait 24 hours before you wash it. When you do wash it, you want to flip it inside out. Just normal wash should be fine. And ideally, you hang it out to dry. If you need to put it in the dryer, make sure you use low heat because heat put this design on. Heat can take it back off again, but it might leave residue. I hope you enjoyed seeing how to apply heat transfer vinyl decals using a home iron and a die cut design. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I try to make sure I respond to every comment and I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching Hanks, Make Your Mentor, and until next time, bye.